We have Charles now, who's written us an email. He says that he had a family arrangement 9 years back. Now there are 2 flats and a shop. Within 3 brothers, the shares were distributed, but the agreements made then weren't registered. What should be done now? Do they still hold in court, or should he make fresh agreements?
Question is, when was this done? How long back? That is one question. Secondly, are the parties going to be together? They can always make a fresh agreement if there is no complication. And if there is complication, then only you will have to go to the court
Uday,
of
Charles
law.
says it was done 9 years back. Is there a time bar of sorts on agreements that are drawn up to share property?
See, the more than time bar, they will have to think of the stamp duty that is to be paid for registration. Na? Suppose you want to give a effect to an first of all, if you have not done an agreement, you have not executed anything. What have you executed? A mere understanding and a contract, oral contract, but there has to be a more to prove that oral contract. If all the parties are agreeable, anything is possible. Then they can draw a backdated agreement also. But the point is, then it will be illegal to the extent that they will have to pay stamp duty, they will have to pay penalties. And then that how backdated agreement, unless that is correctly executed at that time, will be valid. So the best thing is to come to a conclusion and enter on the similar line, enter a fresh agreement, fresh in the sense correct agreement, take a lawyer's help, because ultimately he is going to really save you. We go to a lot of press and pay for everything, but we don't go to a lawyer, and therefore I would advise that better take a technical person with you, advice from him, and do it accordingly. I mean, that is what is required. You can't get yourself treated by any nurse. You go to doctor.
So if you have a legal problem, do get legal counsel. Having said that, you can of course write to us to get your legal queries answered. But
yes, we are there to assist you.
Do remember that you need to go out there and get yourself a lawyer, so that the lawyer advises you as to what is the right step to take in your particular case.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at magicbricksnow. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricksnow.